Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. But today, I am going to open my Birchbox, and I actually just did an opening for the cheek box, which, yeah, you'll have to watch that one to believe it. So anyway, this is my Birchbox, which is one of my favorite skincare trial size boxes. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. So I didn't think I was going to record both of these videos on the same day because in my other video, as I said, I just got off work and I'm so tired and hungry. But I said, you know what? I have makeup on. Okay, great. It's 14-hour makeup, but it's at least makeup, right? And plus I put on lipstick just for you guys. Know that. So anyway, I got my Birchbox, which is a monthly box, and this is deluxe sample size products in here. Okay, so, you know, it's been like a mixed bag in the last couple of months. I was getting clean beauty for a while, and then all of a sudden it came a mix, and they had a make a choice, one product only. They have never done that. Either you pick the whole box this way or that. But yeah, it was different. But the price varies, and you can actually get them on special. Like until I accidentally lit it auto renew, I was paying about $8 a box. And after that, I believe I'm paying about $16 a box. I want to say that's what it is when I calculate it. And so, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to open this box for you guys. But before I do that, let's do a little bit of motivation or affirmation. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, where's my app? I should have opened it. I usually like try to select. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to find one. Oh, I landed on a ugly color background. Okay, here we go. What's up with that? Okay, I think that's in focus. And what it says is, wisdom and my sense of humor empower and energize me. Ooh, I like that. That's me. That's me. That's me and the motivation. So wisdom, and not so much wisdom, okay? It's my sense of humor. And it empowers and energizes. Let me start over. Wisdom and my sense of humor empower and energize me. Well, anyway, I think I'm a funny person. Well, at least I think a positive person, right? And I'm full of energy, that's for darn sure, okay? But wisdom, I don't know. I think wisdom is, you know, that's a subjective word for me. I mean, what is wisdom? I say wisdom is learning from mistakes and not repeating the same mistakes if at all possible, okay? But sometimes you do repeat things, and maybe your wisdom is on the weak side that day. I mean, the force isn't with you, and so you need the sense of humor, right? Sense of humor to empower you and encourage you to keep going. And I fall back a lot on humor. I do. And you know, sometimes it's really hard when things are so rough and you can't even really get enough energy to be humorous, right? So that's when I really try to find the funny things in life, even if it means, I mean, different measures, you know, different times call for desperate measures. That's it, yeah. And I go and look at memes and to see if I can find something funny, yeah. And sometimes, oh, and Nisi, she's so great. I said Nisi and the baby started crying. So anyway, Nisi would send me some really funny cat memes or cat videos, the shorts, and some of them are so funny. I just look for her stuff. I'm like, okay, that's funny. So anyway, yeah, it is what it is. I digressed. Anyway, so yeah. So more so's wisdom and my sense of humor empowers and energizes me. Work on that. It works. Anyway, so I'm gonna open this box. This is the box that's really hard for me to open. Yep. But one piece done. Where's the other side? Oh, here. And this is a box in a box type of box. Box in a type of, okay. Box in a type of box. And so here we go. Can I do this? See, they must watch my videos because I complain so much about these boxes and they finally fixed it. No, not really. They're not watching my videos. Oh, but I did, you know, one thing I did do, what happened today is that I got a collab offer for eyebrow stamp called iMethod. I can't wait for it to get here. I said, okay, I'll do it, because that thing, you know, I don't have an eyebrow, so I said, you know what, if it works, I'm sold. But you know I'm honest, right? And so I'm gonna try it for you guys and see if it works. Anyway, so as I said, a box in a box. Box in a box. And as you are aware, I talked about it last time, these are coming in really nice boxes now. It's not the top comes off and, you know, the mess, but instead these are magnetic. I said that, but now is it? Yeah, it is. And so it comes like this, and it's got a magnetic closure. Okay, and it says Birchbox right there. I don't know who picked the color combination, but this is not a good color combination. Are you serious? Mustard on a lavender. Not a good choice. Anyway, the box is pretty though. I think they tried to match it up, but I wouldn't have chosen it. But that's okay, because I don't get paid. Okay, reveal the real you. Reveal the real you. And here are the stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm liking that. Okay, you guys should like it too, because a lot of it I end up putting it directly into the giveaway. So anyway, yeah. So it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in here. Woo! Oh, there's a bonus product in here. Okay, and it does give you the price of the full size, but it doesn't tell you the size of the full price. Price of the full size. Yeah. God, I must be tired. Anyway, like I said, it looks like that. And let's go for the first one. And what is this? Whoa, this is heavy duty glass. Nice glass, nice glass. What is it? Nice glass, nice glass. It is coarse. Not coarse like beer coarse, but coarse like K-O-R-R-E-S. Okay, there it is. And what is it? Let me see. Okay, it is Clean Beauty. It's called a Wild Rose Sleeping Facial. Ooh, full size would be $48. An overnight facial with vitamin C and wild rose extract that turns dull, uneven tone and texture into brighter, plumper skin by morning. Its souffle texture melts into skin for intense hydration overnight. You know what? I wish I could use this, but the problem is I use Retin-A and I don't, maybe I'll do it like overnight just to try and give you feedback on it, because this thing is like big. Yeah, and it comes with a little seal like that. You see that little plastic seal? And so I guess I could give it a go. Yeah, I'll try this one. And that's that. And the next one is by Dr. Botanicals, okay? Dr. Botanicals. And this is a grapefruit watermelon cleanser, and a full size would be $9.99. Rich in antioxidants and natural botanical extracts, this superfood cleanser gently cleanses while lightening your skin's appearance. Its vitamin C helps stimulate collagen production to help keep your skin smooth and healthy. You know what? I didn't think vitamin C actually enhanced collagen production. I thought it fought free radicals. I'm gonna have to look into that. Yeah, maybe some components of vitamin C does do that. I don't know, but it's a, you know, it's a cleanser. And interesting. Grapefruit and watermelon. But you know what, guys? I know for sure. I mean, I know I would use it, wouldn't I? Okay, I might hold on to it. Let me think about it. Okay, the next thing in a box is by Melon and Goetz. And I love this brand. I was introduced to this brand by the not lipstick, but lip balm. And I loved it. And this is a, what is this? This is a facial cleanser too. Grapefruit face cleanser. $38 is full size. Wake up your senses with triple threat cleanser that dissolves dirt and oil, clears acne, and balances acid pH, gentle enough for sensitive skin. It rinses away completely without over drying. Okay, so I got 2 cleansers. Hello? Okay, I'm gonna give one of them up. I don't know which one yet, but yeah. Weird, right? And the next thing in here is, this looks like deodorant. It is deodorant. Are you serious? Okay, take a look here. All right. This is called La Vanilla, and it's Clean Beauty, and this full size would be $10. And it's called a healthy deodorant. Smell good no matter how much you sweat with this all-natural deodorant. Vegan and cruelty-free. It contains antioxidants, soothing essentials, and beta-glucagon technology for velvety, long-lasting odor protection. I don't know about that. don't know. Maybe I'll try to put it through the challenge because, I used to use natural deodorants. It never really worked good enough for me, and my clothes kind of smelled funny. And so, but I'm willing to try it, but I don't know what this company is. Never heard of them, have you? So I don't know. I don't know. Some of these things I will keep. Some of these things you will see in the giveaway if you win. So, yep. And the next one is by Georgette Klinger. Oh, I think I know that one. There you go. I think this is also Clean Beauty, right? Is it? Yes, it is Clean Beauty. The full size would be $24. Purifying yet gentle. It Bencotan charcoal draws out oil, dirt, impurities to balance purification. Sage extract and clarifying white willow bark reduce redness and promote a certain complexion. Calm, not certain. Calm. All right, this one is going into the giveaways because I don't do charcoal, because charcoal tends to dry my skin out for some reason or another. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, the next thing in here is a hydration multiplier CTT cellular transport technology. Oh my god, whatever. So this is something you eat, I think. There's 45 calories in here, whatever it is, but there it is. And let me see what it is. This is Liquid IV Lemon Lime Hydration Multiplier. The full size is $24.47 with 3 times electrolyte, a sports drink, and 5 essential vitamins. Hydration Multiplier is a delicious non-GMO electrolyte drink mix powder by cellular transport technology to hydrate faster than water alone. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. Somebody get this. Okay. And the next one, I actually own this perfume, and this is the bonus, and it's just a little kind of, sample that you get like when you go to like Nordstrom's or whatever. And here it is, and this is by Victor Rolf. It's Flower Bomb Bloom Eau de Toilette. This scent is twist and classic, and often an explosion of fresh flowers caresses with breath of cool mountain air, spritz onto wrist, neck, and behind the ears. The full size is $95. And I can tell you, these smell so good. And this is, yeah, I have 3 of the different Flower Bomb because they make them different. And I have one. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this as an extra, this not even, I don't even want to mention it as a giveaway because this is like a sample. I'll give you a sample. How's that? So that's that. All right, guys. Well, what do you think? I would recap everything I got, but I forgot and I dumped everything into the giveaways already. But I can tell you what they were. We got the Melon and Goetz Grapefruit Face Cleanser, Dr. Botanicals Grapefruit Watermelon Face Cleanser, Georgette Klinger Charcoal Cleansing Gel, Chorus Wild Rose Sleeping Facial Mask, La Vanilla, the Healthy Deodorant, Liquid IV, the Lemon Lime Hydration Multiplier with the CTT, and Victor and Rolf bonus, a little beady perfume sample. So, God, what do I think? I'm not impressed, guys. This is a lot of cleansers. Did they feature cleansers? Is that what it is? I'm wondering if this was... It says May means joy and spontaneity. Think picnics, flowery clothes, and festive spring celebrations. It's also a perfect time to debut your healthy, glowing skin. This month's box is here to level up your skincare routine for show-off worthy skin just in time for warmer months. Yeah, but it's healthy skin is more than just cleansers. Yeah, no, for the price that I paid, it's actually worth it, but it's not what I want. It's not something that I could use. I'm gonna try this deodorant just for the giggles and see if it works. And I may go ahead and save this cleanser for when I travel. Oh, let me see if it's got that. I'm afraid. Oh, good. It's got that. So you know what? It looks like a good cleanser. I don't know. We'll see. And this sleeping mask, I think I'm just going to go ahead and probably give away. Matter of fact, I know I am. This one here, but it looks really nice with this glass jar. It's by Chorus. And it's going to go in a giveaway only because I use Retin-A at night and I don't want to do without it because it's, it's my thing. It's my thing, guys. It's my thing. So anyway, yeah, my beautiful wildflowers, what do you think? What do you think? I don't know what to think. Too many cleansers, that's for sure. But the products were decent. So yeah, is it worth the money? Probably. Is it what I wanted? No, not really. But Am I sad about it? No, not really. Because I'm so blessed. Then why am I gonna be sad when they're decent products, right? And I didn't get a whole box full of things that I never even heard of. So yeah, it is what it is. All right, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button that's below that looks like that, and ring the bell and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. You thought I wasn't gonna go like that, didn't you? Yeah, because I said I changed it up on you guys. So anyway, getting goofy because I'm so tired and hungry. So I'm gonna go eat now, guys. Okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And I want you to have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. But just remember, there is a 1,000 Beautiful Wildflower giveaway out there, and you need to find the video. Yeah. Alrighty. So, as I always say to you, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Going on with that train out there, but it's been like going on the whole time, right? I'm so sorry. I hope it didn't, my mic didn't catch like majority of that sound, because it's like, it's loud. It really is loud. And I noticed that with this boom directional mic, it doesn't pick it up a lot, but it does pick it up. But I mean, it's like hecka loud out there. Anyway, yeah. Whoo, it's getting hot in here with all these lights and stuff. So I hope you guys been well. And you know, I did two unboxings this week, so hopefully that's that. But I still have to do my Scentbox. I have like 2 of them. One is like an extra one that I bought. And then I have more coming. I'm just gonna save it all and open like 3 of them at the same time, so that way, yeah, it'll be worth it. Otherwise, just doing like 1 or 2, the video is too short. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go eat now, and I'm completely hungry. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys soon, and I want you guys to be good and be safe, okay? So I love you from the bottom of my left ventricles. Mwah.